In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix US Bank debit card not working. Let's get started. First, check the basics. Make sure your card is not expired, your PIN is correct, and you actually have enough available balance in your account. A lot of payment failures happen simply because of insufficient funds or a small pending transaction that reduces your available balance. Now, if everything looks fine, the issue could be with card controls or security settings. US Bank sometimes blocks transactions if it detects unusual activity, like a new location, online purchase, or large payment. In that case, you might need to verify the transaction in the app or wait a short time for the block to lift. Also check if your card is turned on in the mobile app. Many users accidentally disable card controls, which stops payments instantly. Another common reason is merchant or network issues. Sometimes the store's payment terminal is down or the card network like Visa or MasterCard is experiencing delays. So try using your card at another store or online platform to test it. If it still does not work, restart your phone, update the US Bank app, or remove and re-add your card to your digital wallet if you're using Apple Pay or Google Pay. If your debit card still keeps declining, it could be due to a temporary security lock, wrong PIN attempts, or a frozen account. And in that case, the fastest fix is to contact US Bank support directly or check your account alerts in the app. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.